Planning a trip to Sydney? What a brilliant idea! Known for its dazzling harbor, iconic landmarks, and vibrant culture, Sydney is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Today, we're embarking on a journey to unveil the top 5 things that every traveler should do in this charming city. From culinary delights to architectural wonders, there's a world to explore in Sydney. So buckle up as we dive into the top 5 must-do activities in Sydney. Number 5 on our list is the iconic Sydney Opera House. Situated on Bennelong Point in Sydney Harbour, this architectural marvel is a symbol of 20th century architecture. It's a story of vision and ambition, beginning in the late 1950s when Danish architect Jørgen Utzon won an international competition to design an opera house for Sydney. His innovative design, featuring a series of large precast concrete shells, was unlike anything the world had seen before. It took 16 years to complete, and the result is a masterpiece that has earned a place on the UNESCO World Heritage List. But the Sydney Opera House is more than just a pretty face. It's a vibrant cultural hub that resonates with the pulse of the city. With over 40 performances each week, it's a melting pot of creativity, hosting everything from opera and ballet to contemporary dance and music concerts. There's also a delightful range of experiences to enjoy. Take a guided tour to explore the fascinating history and architecture of the building, or dine in one of the restaurants with stunning harbor views. And for those seeking a truly memorable experience, the backstage tour offers a glimpse into the hidden world behind the curtains, where you can stand on the world-renowned concert hall stage. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast or a theater lover, the Sydney Opera House offers a unique experience that you shouldn't miss. Coming in at number 4 is the lush and verdant Royal Botanic Garden. Nestled in the heart of Sydney, this oasis is a feast for the senses. Here, the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the soft rustle of leaves as they dance in the breeze. The garden is a living testament to the diversity of plant life on this planet, with over 7,000 species of plants. From towering rainforest trees to delicate orchids, each corner unfolds a new world of flora. The Royal Botanic Garden is not just about plants. It is a haven for leisure and relaxation. Here you can enjoy a picnic under the shade of a sprawling fig tree, or simply sit and soak in the picturesque views of Sydney Harbour. To make the most of your visit, join one of the free guided tours. Knowledgeable guides will take you on a journey, revealing the fascinating stories behind the plants and the garden itself. A stroll through the Royal Botanic Garden is a truly rejuvenating experience. Third on our list is indulging in Sydney's culinary delights. Sydney is a city that thrives on its culinary diversity, a place where you'll find a blend of flavors from every corner of the globe. Each meal here is an adventure, from high-end dining experiences to funky street food stalls. Let's start with the high end. Sydney is home to some world-class dining establishments. Key, for instance, is a restaurant that's as famous for its breathtaking views of the harbor as it is for its innovative dishes. Here you can savor delicacies like smoked pig jowl or mud crab congee, crafted with the freshest local produce. On the other end of the spectrum, you have the vibrant street food scene. Spice Alley in Chippendale is a bustling hawker-style market where you can sample authentic Asian cuisine, from spicy Thai curries to succulent Japanese yakitori. And let's not forget about Sydney's iconic dishes. Have you ever tried a lamington? It's a fluffy sponge cake coated in chocolate and desiccated coconut, a sweet treat that's as Australian as kangaroos and koalas. Or what about a meat pie, a hearty dish that Aussies have turned into an art form? From the classic beef and gravy filling to more exotic combinations like kangaroo and pepper, there's a pie for every palate. Sydney's food scene is a feast for the senses, a smorgasbord of tastes and textures that reflects the city's multicultural heritage. For foodies, Sydney is a veritable paradise. Our runner-up is an adrenaline-pumping activity, climbing the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Now imagine this. You're strapped into a safety harness, the steel arch of the bridge towering above you, the cityscape stretching out below. You're about to embark on a journey, not just across a bridge, but straight up into the sky. This isn't just a walk, it's an adventure, a challenge. It's the Sydney Harbour Bridge climb. Climbing the bridge is not for the faint-hearted, but don't worry, your safety is the top priority. Before you start, you'll be equipped with all the necessary gear and be given a comprehensive safety briefing. A professional guide will lead you every step of the way, ensuring that you're secure as you ascend the arches of this iconic structure. As you climb, the city of Sydney unfolds beneath you. The higher you go, the more breathtaking the view becomes. From the top, you can see the entire city, the sparkling harbor, the Sydney Opera House and beyond. It's a view you won't soon forget, a panorama that's worth every heart-pounding moment of the climb. So put on your brave face and conquer your fear of heights. Remember, this is more than just a climb, it's an experience, a story you'll tell for years to come. For a unique perspective of Sydney, you simply cannot miss the Harbour Bridge climb. And the number one must-do activity in Sydney is lounging at the famous Bondi Beach. Ah, Bondi. A paradise of golden sands that seem to stretch on forever, kissed by the waves of crystal-clear waters. There's something utterly captivating about the vibrant beach culture here. It's not just a beach, it's a lifestyle, an experience. Take a stroll down the coastal walk, a stunning trail that wraps around the coastline offering breathtaking views. It's a visual feast, with the azure ocean on one side and trendy cafes and boutiques on the other. And don't forget the iconic Bondi Icebergs pool. This ocean pool, carved into the cliffside, is a beloved spot for both locals and tourists to take a refreshing dip while enjoying the panoramic views of Bondi. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a surfer, or a beach volleyball enthusiast, Bondi Beach has something for everyone. So soak up the sun, ride the waves, or simply enjoy the laid-back vibes. That's the Bondi way of life. And there you have it, the top 5 things to do in Sydney. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the serene Royal Botanic Garden, the city's finest dining experiences, the adventurous climb of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and the relaxing atmosphere of Bondi Beach. Each experience is unique, each location is a gem, and each bite of Sydney's cuisine is a memory. Sydney isn't just a city, it's an experience waiting to be explored. So when are you booking your ticket to Sydney?